Welcome to another exciting tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be teaching you how to generate rich skin tones for a fair person and a dark skin tone person. Okay, so using a single tool in Photoshop, and it's very simple. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is let us create a skin tone for a fair person in Photoshop. Okay, so your magenta, reduce it a little bit. In fact, by reducing it, you can already see the skin tone changing. Then your cyan, reduce it a lot. Okay, and then while you are doing it, fix your eyes on your picture, okay, to see how good it looks. So this way, this is the before and this is the after. Okay, this is the skin tone for a fair person. Okay, so you can duplicate this and still walk around it. Okay, so this is, let me show you the before and after. Let me just group all these. Okay, so this is the before and this is the after. Okay, you can see the skin tone looking very good for a fair skinned person. Okay, all right, but let's say you want to, let's delete all this. Okay, you want the dark skin tone to come out clearly, dark skin tone. Okay, with the same tool, we can still achieve. So go to your selective color and then increase your cyan and increase your magenta. Okay, by doing this, you can have a rich dark skin. Okay, can have a rich dark skin. Okay, now as you can see, this is the before and now this is the after. Okay, this is how you can get a rich dark skin in Photoshop. Okay, if you still want this to be darker than this, you can duplicate this and still walk around it. You can see it is now darker. Okay, so this is the before. We made it dark, and then we can still make it darker to have a very rich dark skin tone. Okay, so just move your magenta, increase your magenta, increase your cyan, you have a good dark skin tone. And then just move the opposite way, you have a fair skin. Just instead of moving this here, just move it here and move this here. You have fair skin. Okay, so this is how you manipulate your skin tone and get rich skin tone in Photoshop. One of the ways, anyways. This is simple. Thank you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you again in the next exciting tutorial. Subscribe, comment, like, and share. Turn on the notification button so that whenever I drop a new video, you get an alert. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon in the next tutorial.